79, batch 1979. 79?
There's no need to feel down, I say your name. Just to walk around, I say your name. 'Cause you're in a new town, there's no need to be unhappy, young man. There's a place you can go, I say your name. When you're short of the dough, you can't stay there. And I'll show you goodbye, believe me. It's fun to stay here. It's fun to stay here.
Thank you very much. Okay, next on stage, batch 1974.
Nagsama-sama nagbibigan mo sa kalukuhan at sa tuksinan, hindi mapalit sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa pamilya, isang mataba na kaisaya, laging magkawang-hawak ng gitara, huwag inutin na magkakantayan. Kasi may naman ang buhay mo, kung makikita na sinubuan, kung di naman hawak-hawak kung naman natin, sa mga sa mga sa magkasabot sa pagbabayan, walang sikreto, hindi natago, o kasama sa hanggang pagkawataan sa koleyo, pagkakaroon kahit minsan kang nakita, magkakaibigan mawala. At kung saan man ang magbabagilan,
Kapag nag-iisang kasama ang pangarap, isang lagi ang tanda. Magiging maaaring ilusunan, pagbubulitas na lahat. Sabay ang masipon ng pasada, yung ilang malalim at sabay ang bulan. Kapag buong ay ang lahat, sabay-sabay at pasok sa bagsat ng pangarap. Okay, may we invite on stage batch 1969. 1969, 1969. Ganda na number. Favorite to change? 1969. 1969. When you represented, batch 1969.
Paano mo, Alex Rivera? Alex Rivera, 69.
Okay, so Mr. Alex Rivera. Mr. Alex Rivera, 1969. Oh, there you go. Welcome. 1964, mga Kodyo Bilayas. Good evening. I'm Junior Cinto from class 64. 50 years ago. If you will notice that we came in our old uniform. It's golden, but we don't like gold. We just want to remember how we were then. Since the day we are back with our white uniform, school pants, khaki uniform, white socks, and black shoes. Because if we don't do this, we will be violating incomplete uniform and receive the payment of discipline. If you will know, I hope you still have that rules. Now let me introduce my classmates. Ador Makani. Juan Jose Jimmy Garcia. Bon Ronaldo.
Imandat.
Ting Buhay. William Toro.
Manny Bangsan. Thank you guys. We'd like to call Mr. Palas our favorite religious teacher of faith. Mr. Palas, did you say a word?
Mabait, pinakapilyo. Lahat kayo, mabait pilyo. Si Junior Cinto, Ador Bakari, Juan Garcia, si Valeriano, si Man, Dr. to, famosong Dr. Philanthropist, lahat, si Ricardo Buhay, si William Co, si Bill Rodriguez, hindi ko takilala. Nani? Ay! Si Miguel Bansal. Nasa si Marcelo. The father of the, yung nasa bahay ni Kuya, Marcelo. Roxanne Marcelo. Anyway, I'm so honored na dinatan ko ang Golden Jubilee nila, Batch 64. Actually, pangatlo ko ng Golden Jubilee sa mga alumni. 62, 63, 64. All Golden Jubilee. So can you imagine, I am so honored and privileged to live this life, to live this path. Actually, I just turned 80 last January. I must be the youngest among you in this group tonight. Oh. Chain smoker. That is my vitamin C. Well, I would like to make these two suggestions. If you don't mind, may I have your attention? Or respect your elders. One, isang alumnus natin who celebrated, the batch celebrated its Golden Jubilee 2 years ago, si Ramon Escueta. He was the first president of the Knights of St. Francis in Lourdes School way back in 1961 when we organized the Knights of St. Francis. It was the local Catholic action in Lourdes School. the young generations do not know it anymore. Now, I just met one of the past presidents, Roberto De Leon, who flew in from America. This Ramon Escueta suggests that the Knights of St. Francis be organized among the alumni. And you know, St. Francis, more than ever before, has become so relevant today because the new Pope put the name Francis after Francis of Assisi. So those of you who would like to join the Knights of St. Francis of the alumni, so they text me, the alumni person of my number. Number two. Are you listening? I would like to suggest to the association that we start searching for outstanding alumni. It's time now to recognize the sons and daughters of Lourdes School who are doing very well in our society. So, I would like to challenge the next batch of officers if you can organize a search for the most outstanding alumni by profession. For example, those who are serving in the church, religious, those who are famous physicians, doctors, famous lawyers, So I would like to challenge the youth or even the elder alumni to search for the most outstanding alumni. I noticed that there are several tables vacant. Alam niyo kung bakit? I don't mean property line. I just observed that there are very many tables vacant. Alam niyo kulang? Why don't you recognize the alumni by batch in calling the attendance? Call them by batch. Kasi if the alumnus is not recognized or the alumni is not recognized, they won't bother to come. So I suggest next year you call them by batch. When we were new in the organization, si Pepito Rodrigo, si Joey Lopez, ako ang gumagawa ng attendance, tumataw ng attendance, batch 16. Oh, katayo yan, and they like that. So I suggest to do that. Thank you very much.
Pero doon sa suggestion, Mr. Paras, kung tatawagin natin lahat ng batch, wala nang panahon magsayaw. Sayang naman yung gabi. Anyway, we'd like to congratulate batch 689 for a wonderful night. Honoring us. Thank you very much. We hope to see you in the next 25 years. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Memorial Hostage, batch 1959. Mr. Joey Mendoza and Mr. Ray Mercado on stage. Please,
we have a problem, okay? We were just informed by our logistics that we still have 67 cases of beer. So can you please help us?
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We are the eldest of the old. We were the first graduates of this school. And we seem strong. We are now less than 10. One of us passed away middle of this year. I don't know if next year we will be here. We are the only two, the last, I think, 4 years attending the alumni homecoming. Anyway, I would like to thank class 1989 for having a very successful alumni homecoming and for considering our presence here. You know, when we came here, our names were not anywhere included in the register. Wala na yung consideration sa register, kaya may matatanda na kami, siguro alam nila, pakain na kami lahat eh. Pero meron pang naiinang buhay, kami dalawa. And anyway, we'd like to thank everyone for coming here. And I would like to thank also you guys for acknowledging the old people like us, and we will always support you in any way we can. Malakas pa kami, no? Nakakalo pa kami, nakakababata, oh. See? So, ayaw mo ba? Oh. Kanina nga, nagulat ako eh. Yung bata doon ng babae, pinasadahan niya. Sige mo, at 72? But anyway, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, for having a successful alumni homecoming. Thank you from class 1959.
Thank you, batch 1959. Okay. Let me just repeat, no? We have to consume those 67 cases of beers. Kindly drink up, okay? So let's have one. Don't leave yet. We still have raffle prizes for you. Okay?
Okay, so thank you for that, Tristan and Jerome. And of course, congratulations to Batch 89 and all their co-jubilarians. Alright, now aside from our parents, we all remember the people who are very essential in making us who we are today. So let's now have on stage Jermaine Fernandez and Carlos Aquino of Batch 89 to acknowledge the teachers who have joined us tonight.
Again, Mr. Joe, the last one. Let's go! We would like to acknowledge the presence of our teachers. Starting with Mr. Bienvenido Santos. Sir, can you come up on stage? Parang dito ka. Miss Katigba, Mr. Moraz, Mrs. Avila, can you come up on stage, please? Mr. Salino Santos, Mr. Nave, Mr. Langson, Mr. Paulo de la Rosa, Mr. Esa, Mr. Piason, Mr. Ponce, Mr. Baina, Mr. Rosalia, Mr. Blanco, Ms. Blanco, Mr. De Guzman, Mr. Ramos, Mr. Baina, Mr. Avente, Mr. Nanyada, please. Mrs. De Leon. Quezon, please. Mr. Enrico Toledo, Mr. Nick Perez, please. Mrs. Santos,